Welcome to Ryan Homes at Newberry, where life feels simpler, more connected, and designed just for you. Here, your home is designed around the moments that matter most. Easy everyday living, effortless hosting, and spaces that welcome the people you love. Ditch the stairs and enjoy true main level living with your kitchen, bedroom, and laundry all on one floor. Your home will feel easier to live in each and every day. An open kitchen and living room make it easy to host the meals that bring everyone back home so you can cook, connect, and stay part of the conversation from start to finish. With bedroom space that lets guests and grandkids sleep over comfortably, you can say, stay a little longer without rearranging your whole home. Step out to a covered porch or patio and enjoy the outdoors without worrying about yard work. It's the perfect spot to unwind, read, or welcome friends for a quiet evening in. This 55+ active adult community offers low maintenance, main level living, close to shopping, dining, and healthcare, so you can spend less time on upkeep and more time doing what you love. At Newberry, inviting amenities bring neighbors together. Enjoy the clubhouse and pool, plus welcoming gathering spaces, ways to stay active, and outdoor areas designed for relaxing and connecting right in your own community. It's the kind of place where neighbors can become friends, whether you're setting up yoga by the pool or joining a friendly game of cards. Come see what's new at Ryan Homes at Newberry. Tour the community, explore the homes, and experience a 55+ lifestyle designed with you in mind. Schedule your visit today. We can't wait to welcome you home.